Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in unboxing and testing out my order from M Cosmetics. Having followed Michelle Phan from the early days of YouTube, I'm really excited to finally try some of the products from her cosmetic line. I've been looking to get a new cushion foundation, and this Daydream cushion was the main reason for placing my order. It is made in Korea with the good stuff of niacinamide, snow mushroom extract, green tea extract, papaya fruit extract, and more, so I thought I'll give this one a go. The Daydream cushion comes in 6 different shades, and mine is Sweet Secret, recommended for medium tan skin. Added to the cushion foundation is this Color Drops Serum Blush. I'm used to wearing cream and liquid blush as I find them better suited to my dry skin. The Color Drops is made in Italy and comes in 8 beautiful shades that did not make it an easy choice, but here I'll be trying out Rose Milk. Now this one sparked my curiosity. It's a highlighter packed in cushion format. Also made in Korea, it comes in 3 shades and mine is in Neutral Gold Halo. I'm interested to see how this blends into my skin and applies with the included puff. Here we have the lip cushion, and I'm always keen on trying new lip balms, especially in the thick of winter. It's available in clear and 4 other colors, but I chose one of their best-selling, Venetian Rose. This lip product is made in Japan. I stumbled on this while browsing and so glad I didn't miss out on including this with my order, because the Pick Me Up Volume and Length Mascara comes in a tubing formula, which is great for sensitive eyes, very wearable and easily removable. Made in Korea, I have high hopes for this mascara, so let's see how it wears on me. I also added this Fineliner brow pencil in the darkest shade Ebony. Also available in 4 other lighter shades. I'm looking forward to seeing how this compares to the Hourglass Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil that also has a similar fine angular tip. This product is also made in Korea. Now let's get started with unboxing and trying these goodies out. All the items in this video create a natural, lighter, everyday look, as that's all I really need these days. This was my first time buying foundation online without getting a shade matched in store, so I'm really hoping it blends well with my skin tone. The product comes with a complete compact of cushion foundation and puff, as well as a refill of just the cushion foundation and a brand new puff. The packaging is giving me very positive first impressions of the product. In fact, all M Cosmetics packaging just looks and feels so nice, with a minimalistic approach to cosmetic that feels luxurious in your hands. It opens up easily to reveal a teardrop-shaped puff and mirror with a branded seal. I love little details like that. A lot goes into R&D and product design, which I can definitely appreciate. I'm loving the black puff and pink ribbon, which is a nice change from light colored puffs. Oh, your dream awaits you. Another nice touch when it comes to designing this packaging. Oh, this color looks promising. It does seem a lot darker than my face, but that's usually the case with my medium yellow undertone. It always appears more tan in packaging, but when applied, it should be a good match. Now for the application. A gentle press into the cushion and start dabbing. The key to applying cushion foundation is to lightly pat and roll the puff on with just a little amount of product. Keep pressing the product into skin for the most natural and even coverage, with the teardrop puff that's shaped to also easily apply around your nose. Looks like Sweet Secret is the closest match to my skin tone, which I'm really happy about, having bought this base on only what I've seen online. I decided on this Daydream cushion for daily wear, and it works like a tinted moisturizer with the added benefit of SPF 50 PA+++. I still do moisturize and put on sunscreen before this. Here's a side-by-side size comparison with the Dior Forever Perfect cushion. The Daydream cushion is thinner, lighter, and more sleek in design. And a side-by-side comparison with the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer. Moving on to the Moonbeam Cushion Highlighter in the shade Halo, a neutral gold that sits in between Aura, a lighter rosy champagne, and Divinity, a darker deep bronze. Loving the design details here with the phases of the moon. I went with the recommended shade based on the Daydream cushion I bought, so let's see how this sits on my skin. The puff in this highlighter is round and white, differentiating it from the Daydream cushion. Be the light. Honestly, loving all these positive affirmations in the branding of the products. Now for the reveal. Again, you can't really tell the true shade from looking at the cushion, but let's see how much this highlighter glows. Oh wow, it does look like a little goes a long way, so this little compact is definitely value for money. I'm actually a fan of the sheer luminosity from this, which isn't as strong as some powder highlighters I've used. The subtle glow it provides is perfect for a natural, no makeup look. The compact is smaller and more dome-shaped than the Daydream cushion. It's a cute little thing. Next up is the Colour Drop Serum Blush. I've been a convert of liquid blush since my bridal makeup artist used Benefit's Cheek Stain on me. I much prefer liquid to powders for my dehydrated skin, and this serum formula is rich with omega-3 fatty acids, squalene, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. On the packaging front, I was instantly drawn to this pretty little glass bottle. How cute is it? I had to resist the temptation of getting more than one color because it's obvious how beautiful a few bottles of this would look on the vanity. I love the frosted glass, and it kind of looks like nail polish bottles, only with a pump attachment on the lid. This is in the shade Rose Milk, and to easily dispense this, M Cosmetics recommends pulling the dropper up 3/4 from the bottle, then pressing the button down to release the air. While continuing to hold it down, insert the dropper back in and release for the serum to fill the dropper. You can definitely build this up and add more to intensify the color. What I like about this formula is how it doesn't set too quickly and allows you to take time spreading the blush evenly on your cheeks. Here I'm going for a sheer, healthy finish. The Fineliner brow pencil is next, and I just added this essential product to my cart as a spare for when my current brow pencil runs out. I like that the tip is in a fine oval shape with a spoolie on the other end of the pencil. Plus, being retractable is an added bonus. I wasn't sure if ebony would be too bold of a black shade, but really glad the product goes on lightly, so it's quite easy to have a light hand with this and create more natural strokes. One of the best quotes I love is that your brows are sisters, not twins, so I personally feel it's okay for them to not be exactly identical. I wanted to try this Pick Me Up volume and length mascara because tubing mascaras are great for sensitive eyes while being long-wearing, smudge-proof, and easy to remove just by using fingers and water. The Lavender Matte tube is a different colorway from the other M Cosmetic products I have, but I'm glad it's on the pastel side and not a bright bold purple. Made in Korea with pro vitamin B, hyaluronic acid, rice extract, and tsubaki. I love that this won't give me panda eyes at the end of the day and is simply fuss-free, which is not always the case with mascaras in the market. This applied effortlessly and is ideal for everyday wear. Last but not least is the Lip Cushion Tinted Lip Luminizer, which is a balm-like product nourished with a blend of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I love that most of the products I have here are full of moisturizing and hydrating ingredients. One thing to note about this lip balm is the tube is not retractable, so you only want to twist as much product as you'll be using and not overdo it. I expected this to go on really sheer like a lip balm, but it actually feels more like butter to me, and the color payoff is pretty opaque in this Venetian rose. So here's my complete M Cosmetics look from my recent purchases. I've gone for the simple and natural finish without any concealer, eyeliner or eyeshadow, and no contouring for quick daily makeup, especially while still in lockdown. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll leave links in my description of all the products I've used today. Take care everyone, and I'll see you in my next video.